Hello everyone. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to use the loops and condition command group to create automation scripts. The loops group consists of three main commands: loop data, while loop, and stop loop. Hidemyacc will show you how to use these three commands in practical scripts. The loop data command is used when you know how many times you want to repeat certain actions. For instance, if you want to create a Google search automation script that repeats searching keywords, clicking on displayed results, interacting on the page, and then returning to the home page to search for new keywords. Here's how you would typically do it. First, open a new tab to google.com. Then, use the type command. Paste the selector of the search bar into the element field and input the keyword you want to search for. You can also drag and drop a pre-made TXT file here. Instead of clicking the magnifying glass icon, choose the key press enter command for a more natural interaction. After Google returns search results, the script will randomly click on these pages. Find the selector and paste it into the click element command. Next, to interact with the accessed page, use the swipe down command to scroll the page. Then use go back to return to the home page. Clear the old keyword with the click element command on the X mark in the search bar. Without using the loop data command, you'd need to manually repeat these groups of commands for the desired number of loops. However, with the loop data command, you just need to input the desired loop count, for example, from 1 to 5. The script will then run these actions from the first to the fifth loop and stop. You need to add a stop loop command to determine the loop's endpoint. In this example, the loop data command will be placed before the type command to start the loop, and stop loop will be placed at the end. Rearrange the commands and press Run Test to execute the script. In the loop data command, when using variables in the loop through section, it's usually to grab a specific element from an array. For instance, if you want the third element from an array for the next command, select the variable as the array. Set start from index to 3, indicating the position of the desired element, and set max loop to data as the maximum loops to perform. Hidemyacc has just guided you on creating automation scripts with the loop data command. Next, Hidemyacc will guide you on combining the while loop and condition commands. With the while loop command, the loop will be executed if it meets any condition. For instance, an automation script accessing Hidemyacc's blog, scrolling to search for blog posts. If found, click to read and end the loop. If not found, continue scrolling. To avoid falling into an infinite loop because of not finding a blog post, you need to limit the number of loops for the script. First, you need to add a variable to count the number of loops. Select Variables, add a variable as a number. I will add two variables, a and b, with values of 0 and 10 respectively. Drag the while loop command, choose Edit Condition to set up the loop count. For example, add a condition where variable it is less than 10. This means the loop will be executed until variable it is still less than 10. Variable a here represents the number of loop iterations. Next, drag the condition command, choose Edit Condition to add a condition. Choose Element Exists and paste the selector of the desired blog post here. Waiting time is the delay time until the next action. So the condition here is to find the selector of that blog post. If found, click on the blog post using the click element command. Similar to the stop loop command, you use the condition break command and select use break to exit the loop when the condition is met. For example, if the script has found and clicked on a selector, but without using use break, the script will continue searching and clicking the selector. By choosing use break, after successfully finding and clicking on the selector, the script will end the loop and proceed to the next command. After clicking on the blog post, you should interact with the page using the swipe down command. Next, to count the loops, you add a set variable command and assign a value of +1 each time the loop is executed for variable a. When the value of variable a becomes greater than or equal to 10, the loop will end. Add a stop loop command to recognize the endpoint of the loop. Combining the while loop and conditions commands, you'll have a script like this. Access Hidemyacc's blog. If the required blog post is found, click to view and exit. If not, continue searching until the number of loops is greater than or equal to 10, even if the script has found a blog post or not. Hidemyacc has just guided you on using the loop and condition command groups through two practical scenarios. If you have any questions, please contact Hidemyacc via our live chat. Wishing you all the best of success.